Local and TMR agents, how are you guys today? Today is June 12th. It is officially the first day of summer for our kids. I dropped my kids off today at summer camp. They're doing sleepaway camp for the whole summer. So, sad day to start off with, but I'm excited for them. Want to get excited for you guys. Now that we are in summer, we are halfway through the year. We are approaching the end of this month, which means we're in our second half of 2023. And that's generally a very good time to start thinking again about what you want your business to be. Whether you've been with us for some time, you're thinking about joining us, you're getting this email and a recruitment letter. Starting in summer is often a great time to start looking at your business again. It can be very similar to the beginning of the year. We've got the kids out of school, maybe you have some more time to get things done, and you can really start initiating plans. It's also a big time generally in the real estate industry for homes to be selling, especially in our area. People have the kids out of school, so they have more time to look for homes. They can travel to other states if they're looking to move to another state, and we tend to see a lot more inventory moving in the summer. So today, really want to talk about to everybody. I was thinking about Dominos, and the reason I brought that up is we need to put things into place to ensure that we have constant marketing and business coming into us on a regular basis. Without that, we're really just looking at singular deals every, let's say, 2, 3, 4 months. And that would be similar to a domino falling and not clicking the other domino over, which we can really all relate to. What we really want to do is set up a devised plan that we're going to stick to. And I'm picturing dominoes in my head when I say that. We want to put that plan in place, lay the dominoes out, knowing that the end result of that may not come for some time, but it's always going to take some work to get there. So when we set up our plan and we click that first domino down, we want them to continue to fall. And we can put that into a lot of different scenarios. We can put that into farming to communities, which I talk about a lot. If you do farm, you have to continually send postcards. You have to continually be involved in the community. It's not something that you do day one and then stop doing and expect to get some kind of return. Working with expired listings is exactly the same thing. Working with a buyer that you may be working with. You can't expect to show that buyer just one home, have one domino fall, and the deal closes and you're done. It's going to be a process that you need to continually go through. So, if you really want to talk about setting things in place, you may have trouble doing that. You may have trouble, first of all, coming up with an idea to set in place, and then secondly, actually setting it in place and keeping it in motion. I'd love to talk to you all about that. Whether you work here now, whether you're looking for a new brokerage to join, whether you're a brand new agent and you're looking for a place to start your career. I really do like to help people think about the ways that they should be doing business, the ways they want to be doing business, and then help them continue to do so. It's not an easy thing to do. It's much easier said than done. So if that's something you're interested in, give us a call back. You can call me at 954-854-51. I'm sorry. You can call me at 954-873-1801. You can email admin@traversmoranrealty.com, and we'll set up an appointment for you to come speak with us. Simply reply to this email or hit us up on a DM or something. All right, guys, until next week, I'll see you all then. Take care.